We've all been there. The meeting has already started and you're still waiting for something to install, download, or update. With Wildix, that's never a problem. Click the link and you're in. No downloads, installs, or updates required. It's built on WebRTC and secure by design, so every session is protected from the moment it starts. Wildix is also fully AI-powered, giving you live transcriptions, automatic summaries, and speaker breakdowns for every meeting. You also get real-time AI assistance during the call and detailed post-meeting analysis when it's done, so nothing gets missed and nothing gets lost. All the collaboration tools your team needs are built right in. Chat, screen sharing, breakout rooms, whiteboards, recordings, and more. And there are no limits on participants. Meetings fully integrated into your workflow, one-click browser join for anyone, and AI that turns conversations into outcomes and actions. Book a demo today and see Wildix in action.